Don't do the most. Kayvon. Break. Do you think this is a joke? Because you will not get in the seat. Ma, I said break.
I did break. I know what I'm doing.
Slow.
I know what I'm doing.
I said slow. This ain't no joke. This is my car.
Okay, you calm down. Record the road.
Break. Okay, brake slowly. Now turn in the parking spot. Not close to that car. Turn your wheel all the way. Slowly. Come on. And I want you to park. Straighten your wheel out. Straighten your wheel. Turn it around and go straight. Slowly.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Slowly. Okay, now put it in park. Keep your foot on the brake. Okay, now put it in reverse. You go reverse and do it one more time.
No, ma. Reverse?
Yes, slowly.
Put my foot on the brake?
Yes. Put it in the R. Make sure ain't no cars coming first before you back up. You need to look left, right, and behind you.
Okay. Why do I press on the brake?
Yes, now turn the wheel towards me. Towards me.
Towards you?
Yes. You turn it the way the opposite way. Okay? Shh. Pay attention, Kayvon. Slow. Brake slowly. Okay. Back up some more till you straight. Keep turning your wheel slowly till you straight. Okay. Now put your wheel. Okay, brake. Now straighten your wheel out. Okay, put it in drive. Now straighten your wheel and go straight. You got to straighten your wheel out. Straighten your wheel. Turn your wheel. Yep. Okay, that's good. You straight now. Go. Drive straight. Slow. Just keep it straight.
Gosh.
Not too fast.
I'm going to be cutting up.
You need to get over here a little bit because you know you finna turn again. Right? Now start turning your wheel so you can turn that way.
First.
No, stay and drive. Just turn.
I record the road.
Okay. Keep turning. Brake, but keep your foot over that brake. Yeah, keep turning. You got it. Okay, now straighten your wheel out. There you go. Straight till it's straight. There you go. Go straight. No, go straight. Or you want to go straight and then we go park. Okay, slow down. You go park right next to this car. In the lines. I want to see you park good. Straighten your wheel out. Go slow. You turning your wheel too hard. Yep, but you did good. Straight. Okay, good. Go forward a little more. Keep your wheel straight.
I'm good?
Yep. Put it in park. Keep it on the brake. There you go.
One more time. Do one more time, please. No. I like driving.
One more time.
Okay, so put my foot on the brake.
One more time, duty. We're finna get out after this.
Okay, I'm gonna stop, put my foot on the brake.
Yes.
And then would I put it reverse?
R, yes, in reverse. And then you need to watch your surroundings. You need to check. Okay, back out. Turn the wheel towards me. Towards me. You always turn it the opposite way you going. Okay. When you backing out.
So I'm still kicking my seat. It's not your seat. The seat around the
Okay, and you brake. No, put it in drive. Then you start turning your wheel. Straighten it out. Straighten your wheel all the way out. Straighten it out. There you go. Slow, okay, Vaughn. Not fast. And stay over here. Stay in your lane. Because once you turn around, you're going to have room. Keep going slowly. Okay, now start turning. No, you're still driving. So just turn.
All right, now that you tell me how to drive, I can't promise I won't take your
both
car.
hands.
I gotta straighten it out, right?
Straighten your wheel out. Keep going straight. Okay, now when you get to this car a little bit, start turning. And then you go slowly. Straighten your wheel. Turn straight. Yep, turn. And then straighten your wheel out. Get in between the lines. Good. Straighten your wheel out. Straighten your wheel. Okay, and keep going slow. Stop. Slow down.
And park.
Yeah. Good job. Let's go play at the park.
All right.
Turn the car off.